Welcome to Hopping Kind. Today we are diving into the heart of Rajasthan to explore the top 5 must-visit places in the enchanting city of Jaipur. Along with these 5 incredible places, we will also reveal a few extra spots that are worth a visit if you have the time. Plus, I will share some handy tips and tricks to save you time and money during your trip. So pack your bags, charge your camera, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through Jaipur. Our first stop is the breathtaking Patrika Gate, a true marvel of architecture with its vibrant colors and intricate designs. It is an Instagrammer's paradise, perfect for capturing stunning photos. However, it is best to arrive very early in the morning, as early as you can to avoid the crowd. Despite of the early hours, you will still encounter professional photographers conducting pre-wedding and engagement photo shoots, often monopolizing the space. Unfortunately, they can be quite insistent on keeping the area clear for their clients, which can be very frustrating. My experience included a nearly heated exchange with the photographer who constantly shooed us away, making it very difficult to enjoy and appreciate the gate's beauty. Nevertheless, don't let this deter you. The magnificence of Patrika Gate is worth the visit. Next on our list is Jantar Mantar, a fascinating astronomical observatory. Visiting around noon is ideal as it tends to be less crowded. This UNESCO World Heritage Site houses a collection of 19 architectural astronomical instruments, showcasing the scientific prowess of ancient India. To fully grasp the significance and function of these instruments, hiring a guide is highly recommended. They provide invaluable insights into the history, purpose, and innovation behind each structure, making your visit truly enriching. No trip to Jaipur is complete without visiting the iconic Hawa Mahal. Known as the Palace of Winds, its stunning pink and yellow facade is a symbol of Jaipur. Due to its popularity, the area around Hawa Mahal can get extremely busy, with congested streets and heavy traffic. Make sure to allocate enough time to reach this architectural marvel. Once there, you can admire its beauty and even enjoy a meal at one of those cafes opposite to the palace. While the food may not be exceptional, the view of Hawa Mahal from those cafes is worth the visit. Capture some Instagram-worthy photos while savoring a quick bite. Our fourth destination is the majestic Amber Palace, a stunning example of Rajput architecture. It is best to visit early in the morning to avoid the massive crowds that gather later in the day. We arrived around noon, and the sheer number of visitors somewhat hindered our experience. Despite this, the palace's beauty and intricate carving make it must-see. The panoramic view from the palace is breathtaking. If you are driving, be wary of the scammers along the way who might try to convince you that you need to rent their vehicle to reach the palace. You can totally drive your own scooter or car all the way up without any issues. Amber Palace is truly one of the most beautiful palaces in Rajasthan and a highlight of any trip to Jaipur. Our final stop is the magnificent Nahargarh Fort, best visited during the sunset. Arrive about an hour before the sunset to explore the fort and soak in its historical ambience. Remember to carry cash, as the Sheesh Mahal inside the fort only accepts cash payments, Rs 500 per person by the way. After exploring, head to the Parao restaurant located at the top of the fort. Here, you can enjoy a panoramic view of Jaipur city bathed in the golden hues of setting sun. The food is good, making it a perfect spot to relax and unwind after a day of sightseeing. While we covered the top 5 must-visit places in Jaipur, there are few more gems that are worth exploring if you have the time. City Palace. Located very close to Jantar Mantar, City Palace is within walking distance from both Jantar Mantar and Hawa Mahal. These 3 attractions form a convenient cluster, making it easy to visit them in a single outing. Next is Jal Mahal. On your way to Amber Palace, you will pass by Jal Mahal, a beautiful palace situated in the middle of Mansagar Lake. While you can't go inside, there is a viewpoint where you can admire its beauty. We made a brief stop on our way back from Amber Palace, taking in the view of Jal Mahal and exploring nearby shops. Although you can buy souvenirs here, I would recommend shopping in Pink City Market for the best prices. That's a wrap on our top 5 places to visit in Jaipur. Each destination offers a unique glimpse into the rich heritage and stunning architecture of this vibrant city. Stay tuned for our next video where we will share top 5 must-visit places of Udaipur. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.